see what I got here. Beep. June Star UV filter for the Yi 4K, which is what I'm currently filming this on. Comes in a little container. Pretty handy there. Let's take a look. See, I'll try putting that on in a little while. See what that looks like. But for now, we'll box it back up and see what else I got. Got this Siri silicone camera case, which is also, well, believe it or not, for the camera this is being filmed on. I currently have a steel case that goes on the Yi. You can probably hear it. But the it doesn't hook around. It doesn't go around the back of the lens or the back of the camera like this would. And the reason I use it is because it allows you to mount to the tripod, but also gives you a lens cap. I'm hoping that this is snug enough to allow me to put this on and kind of carry this around in my pocket when I don't want to carry the tripod. So I guess we'll see how that goes. But then I also, because I've learned that batteries are important, new MOA. Basically battery charger. You can charge multiple batteries at one time, even by USB. So you have the factory one and you have the aftermarket ones. Same number of pins. It's just got the negative and the positive for charging. That's why you only have 2 pins in each charging port. So when I go in, so you can charge multiple at a time and have them constantly charging for you, which is nice because guess what? Dead batteries suck. The stock one will be, you'll rotate it out. Maybe I'll pick up another one, who knows. But for all intents and purposes, that is not too bad. I'm really enjoying this camera, and it's working out well.